2024 Chevrolet Malibu. With less than 53,000 miles on the odometer, this sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. It checks off in-demand features which offer more convenience, such as lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, power driver seat, pass-through rear seat. Stop by for a test drive and feel the difference.